rồi rồi vào rồi gỗ mà ya vào rồi gỗ mà ya vào rồi gỗ mà ya vào rồi quay lại sẽ sân đến đi vào bên lúa đây này ngủ rồi quay đâu là lúa này là tôi ngủ rồi mà tôi đại game chứ mà đấy phi cũng dòng ăn à tụi em mà nó không vậy
Well, off the bench and onto the score sheet. What a way to make an impact.
đi bây giờ cho nó quay đâu phi mà là mình phi kìa à xin lên biểu lại rồi rồi mình phi rồi nó là gì lên biểu mà ok ok nhà đó mới đi biểu xuôi du đời nhá xuôi du đời vào lâu nhau lên chết đi phi ra đi vào cái xuống lên không tranh để sọc xuôi vào và dùng gì đâu với Europa League Ranger này kìa mà Europa League và sẽ xin lý mà giàu này nó quê với kìa nó Âu Su Sen nó trật vào kể rồi nhà lưu xe này về sinh màu quanh ra này ngã giật cô mi này mà mấy sinh màu này à rồi quê lệnh xe rồi này à wow là khuy vậy này quê lệnh xe mà sổ gì cái quê đó bố ya màဖြစ်mà ok mày đâu rồi ok
Tavernier beaten easily here.
Rangers.
It's quickly stopped.
Ok quên lề bỏ qua Garabasi
Seemed a bit cynical that.
chả đấy nó đấy ấy xây đi đủ xây số để không để về không ngầu là cái gì lũ chả rồi yêu cái này đấy về gì cũng ngầu vậy yêu đâu để yêu đây cái gì biểu cũng ngầu là gì lũ là gì chả đấy về gì à lấy đi lo phiền đi à mà đó cái gì em giá mà phải bảo đấy tối thì của này à mấy à được yêu bảo này quá
just wide off his head.
Low press
Well, the transfer everybody's been talking about has now been confirmed, so discussions can
Leverkusen sẽ không giao suy qua cái gì vậy Barcelona Gabriel Phi cũng dòng ăn à tụi em mà nó không vậy
well off the bench and onto the score sheet. What a way to make an impact.
ô sơ phụ mà phải không mà lâu gì về mà đâu mà giàu nó không là chiều mẹ này muốn về đi đâu qua yêu về xuống rồi nghe này làm đâu để nó về nam liều bà tụi em mày cho mình mà nó cố ya xí qua cái video của số không tao vừa đi rồi xem em xin đi video rồi giá ta cái này chứ bà đấy nên bé này cái sao nào là lâu này này mà rồi quên lại mà tha số đấy xoay ra quên lại mà tha số đấy genius ní vậy này lâu này à lẽ rồi xem đi vậy đấy con này qua đấy rồi con này ok ôi rồi mà đâu lên đầu đây vào rồi lên này Unana này nhiều thế về cái giá này được khi nó lỏng rồi nè chỉ con này Harry Maguire à
Gravenberch.
Đâu và nó mà là đá dạy này đâu cả mau à ý đồ
And it's a goal, or is it? That must have been close.
Oh, it's really close. He's only just offside, guys.
Rồi bây giờ bộ
Getting himself into
Trường
those
nó
goal
nó
scoring
bị
positions
cùng
though.
ý mẹ này phọc Diego Dallo Jenny mà rồi tích khó thà đấy đã vào lấy Julia nhau quay của nhau sáng màဖြစ်bảo đấy rồi đủ cái miệt thoát lại ra vào cái phi cá này biểu tiền khó là nó có tiền mà nó còn lấy dễ mà sự của nhau rồi rồi thôi
Gravenberg.
lâu thế mà đi mà ê nghe này
Moving forward under no real pressure.
cái đi lại bị ăn đây
Good goalkeeping there.
rồi mà cái sự mẹ luôn finish cái này còn cái tay thì nhau sao rồi mà bên của bạn ra luôn nhau không ngao của em một thành hai nhiều luôn nhiều chém mê quả mẹ mà cái sự lúc ba cũng đâu mấy tức là còn ngon mà
Bayrami.
luôn còn nhiều mẹ có thằng mình pi genius fucking genius gì more Ruben more
Nedim Bayrami.
ê
A really good interception to take the ball.
đã bà ngã lại trên thì sợ sổ đấy mà nhưng mà lấy bỏ lông đông thì ê thì anh review cô mi vô quá
Oh, well saved. That was a really good
gì
chance.
nó gom nhiều rồi
Well, just listen to this atmosphere. It's been such
mà
a
mấy
tight
vị
game.
gì mà liền
The
luôn
fans
luôn
are
luôn
certainly doing their bit, just trying to get them over the finish line.
không vì chúng ta dùng đi
Offside either way.
Yeah, I think it's a bit of both. You've got to give him time to get
Phải
back
cái
on
gì mà
side,
vào nhiều quá gì bây giờ
see what's going
tôi
on.
mà bi này là sinh ra được nhiều chuyện ê cái là vì Brazil này vậy là dài được là cái slide như vậy thì không thao này rồi nhiều cái chỗ này là nga đâu mà giờ lâu ra thì
United with the ball again.
United with the ball again. Okay. Rosberg, nhà đồng anh đi về xuôi lại nhá, xuôi lại và lâu nhau lên. Chết đi phi ra đi, và cái xuống lên. Không tranh để sọc lưới vào và nhiều gì.
Everything about that wrong. For
Có gì
example,
bảo cái gì này mình đi. Lúc còn nhiều để vào ngã ra chiều nhiều thì à biết đi biết sức có lúc à.
Tavernier.
Đó thì có tiền béo mà là sinh ra này nó. Tiền béo này là đi mà biết sinh đi làm là. Có mà đi mang cái gì vậy?
A turnaround in possession. Excellent positioning. Now, something's happened in one of the other matches. A goal. Over to you, Alex.
Lâu dần.
Goal for Nice. They've pulled one back and now trail by one. 88 minutes on the clock.
Thanks, Alex.
Là này mẹ đá đi.
Well, in that sort of position, you simply have to get it closer than he did there.
Là đó. Pin quá vậy. Yêu sổ cái này, về tôi đã lâu lâu rồi, đó thì lưu Agora Messi. Ah,
Patient build-up, but not quite the end product.
chạy bộ. Nó mấy年mà nó tao xin nghỉ thì bảo đấy.
Tavernier.
Đi vào đi, ok. Rồi vào đi vào đó, này bây giờ ôi
Left
trời
wing
ơi.
blows for full time.
Con chụp chân này nghe vô rồi ra rồi nhá. Để đâu mới ra thì nó sống qua sau thì sẽ nó gần thì sẽ bị teo quá cái chuyện bảo đấy. Đấy cả là chưa không mà làm thế này thì còn nhiều vui sau tôi mới chào với yêu cầu này ngã mà chi luôn rồi đấy. Thôi đã. Nên con này người lưu về biểu bảo nó là cái bài mỹ. Thế là ngã con này cả. Hai rồi. Mà ở đây bây giờ là có rất nhiều video để đi ra chiếu. Thì đi việc lưu gom không? Chứ không lưu gom không nghĩ à? Chứ mà ở đây mà dù nhiều cái nhiều. Có ý liệt về sao? ပွဲရခွင့်မရဘူးတော့ကြက်စီရုပ်တယ်ခေရနောက်ပွဲရတော့ပရီးမီးယားလိပွဲစဉ်23ဖူဟန်ဝင်းဝင်းမှာကစားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဖူဟန်စင်ဘလောက်ရတယ်65တင်းဘယ်တော့မှမရသေးဘူးဒီပွဲလေးတော့ကောင်းအောင်လုပ်ထားနိုင်မှာအဆင်ပြေကဲစလိုက်ရအောင်ဗျာအရင်ဆိုလေအရင်ပေါ့ဘယ်တက်နိုင်တော့အဲ့ဒါရှိနေမှာအာမတ်နေရတယ်လုပ်နေတယ်ဒီမာကတ်တူလည်းရှင်မဲကြီးကိုတော်တော်ကြိုက်တယ်ဟုတ်လားမွေးသားလားပါအာမတ်နေရမှာ58မိနစ်မှာနော်စီစီပြီးတဲ့အချိန်မှာဝင်စားပါဘိုးကြီးပါတွင်းပေးလိုက်အောင်ပဲလို့အဘောရဝင်ယူရင်ပြီးဆိုတာကိုပြ
Going to alter things. Here's the substitution.
ပြိတ္တတွေကတော့ကျိုးစုံနေပြီမြတ်ဘယ်ကိုတွင်းပြီးတော့ပြလိုက်ရသေးရပေါ့ကွာကဲဘူလိုဒီမှာကွန်နာနေပဲကိုတန်းသွင်းလိုက်တော့မယ်နော်သိဝေးလုံး
Here
တော့
it comes. Not the best clearance. Well, able to survive that attacking push.
ကဲ
Can he play it in?
ဟောရအဲ့လောက်လေးနဲ့ပဲလုံးဖြတ်လို့ရလေကဲပြီ
Good piece of goalkeeping there.
ဘယ်နဲ့ဖြစ်သွားလို့မကန်ကောင်းပါလားအမကဘယ်နာဆော်မှန်းလည်းမသိညာချမ်းထင်တယ်
Pereira. On to Jimenez.
လို့ပါဘူးတို့စိတ်ဆန္ဒအတင်းကိုအဲ့လိုဘောလုံးအဲ့လိုကြီးတိုင်ခံရတာလားကွာ
And fed forwards.
ကဲညာတော့ဘယ်ရီပဲပြေးလာပြီဘိုးကြီးပါဘာမှမရှိဘူးလားရင်မဲကြီးကိုမင်းနေရပြီးလားရင်မဲကြီး
Has now been confirmed, Stuart.
အော်ရ
Well, he's a great talent. Hopefully this move will see him play these games week in, week out.
ဖြစ်တယ်ဘောလေတိကျကြကတော့ဒီကိုရဲလိုက်တဲ့အတိုင်းနော်
And time for the change now.
လူလို့
And over
ချုပ်တော့တိုက်နေပါကြီး
Not all
Ken,
that convincing
Menu.
defensively.
မင်းလူ
The referee spotted the
မင်း
infringement.
ပြီးခဲ့လား
and it will
ပြီးခဲ့ကန်နေနော်
give
ပြီး
the
ခဲ့ကန်နေ
position
နော်
of genuine menace.
ပြီးခဲ့လည်းမကန်ရဘူး
Real defensive resilience.
ကန်ရောကွန်နာတော်
Puts himself up the ball.
ကျော်စကိုလာခဲ့တယ်
Corner
တိုက်ကောင်းလေ
and still dangerous.
အာ
A wall of
က
attempts.
စီ
None
ယာ
of the
လေကြီး
goalkeepers
ဝီရော
complaining.
Well, he probably should do a lot better there. That was half a chance.
Sasha Lukic.
တော့
Now with Jimenez.
ဒီဝက်ဒီဘိုးတော့သွင်းနိုင်ရင်တော့ဘယ်လိုဝင်အာလုံးကြီးပါပဲလုံးသွားလိုက်ပြဂျာမဖရာဝေးမှာလွတ်ပေးလိုက်ရတယ်
But can
Công
they
gì
come
bộ?
to the
Ồ.
pace? Well, I must say, I thought they were about to illuminate the
Ồ, lý à bộ?
scoreboard with the number one. First goal of the contest, but not so.
Well, how are they not leading here? What a chance to open the scoring, as you mentioned, Derek.
ကဲလာကွာမင်းတို့ကောင်လေးဘိုးတော်လုံးမပဲရတော့ပါဒီကောင်လေးဘာမှလုံးတဲ့ကောင်လေးမဟုတ်ကဲဝင်လေရနေပဲဆွဲလာပြီဘောလုံးဆွဲလာပြီအာရော်ကြီးရတယ်
On with that tackle.
ဒီရရမနွားနဲ့သွားထိနေကွာ
Brady now.
ဟေးသွားပေးနေရတော့ငါတော့အောင်93မိနစ်ရောက်နေပြီနော်ဒီဘက်ကိုသွင်းနိုင်မှာ
Fulham a bit wasteful in possession. Setting off perhaps a little bit too much.
ဟာဗျာတော့ဝင်လေဒီမှာစော်ခိုင်းတာဟုတ်ပါပြော
15 minutes left for play.
ရှေ့ဒီမာကတ်ဇူရန်ကြီးရဲ့စောက်သုံးမှုမကြတာအဲ့ကောင်ကြီးဘာလို့ထည့်ထားမလဲစဉ်းစားလို့မရအောင်ဒါရာမာထာဝေးကြီးလွတ်သွားပြန်ပြီလုံးကစီလုံးကစီပြက်လုံးကစီလုံး
Decided to take on the shot from a difficult angle. Not a memorable effort.
ကစီ
though.
ရလည်းမဆုံး
You
ပါ
have
ဘူး
to
ကွာ
question the decision making there. Could he have cut it back? The angle was always against him.
ကဲဘယ်တော့ပဲနေပဲအဲ့ဒီဆွာမထောက်ကြီးရဲ့ဘလူးအောင်ကြီးကကြီးပဲဟာလို့ဖန်ကြီးကိုပြေးလိုက်ရင်လေကြောက်ရအောင်ကောင်းတယ်
Encouraging stuff from United.
ကန်ပြီ
Gives it a go.
ဟုတ်
It wouldn't quite go in for him.
အော်ဘူးနိုင်ရ
A breakthrough.
Well, that was a decent
I'll
chance.
see that.
He needed to make the goalkeeper work, really.
အခုစေးပါနီး
Still waiting for the
လေးချိန်
outcome.
အောင်မယ်ကိုယ်ကနိုင်မှဖြစ်မှာလို့
Berge. 10 minutes to go. Adama. On the attack, is there to be late drama?
ဆာမာဖရောရီရာဘာအိုင်
Very good save, and it remains all
ဖရော
square.
ရီရဲ့ကြောက်စရာတော့ကောင်းတယ်ဟောကဲဒီစပေါ်နေရာမှာတော့အမတီယာလိုမိတ်တူရဲ့နေရာမှာတော့အေရစင်တို့ဝေရောက်စားပါဖြစ်ပါတယ်
Substitutes ready, and both will come on. Taken short. And defensive play to be applauded.
ကဲဖိတ်လိုက်တာကြီးအောင်ဖိတ်လိုက်တာယူကြီးအောင်ဖိတ်လိုက်တာယူကြီးအောင်အေးကိုလိုပဲဘာလို့ဂိုးမရပါတော့ဟုတ်
At this stage of the game, it might be
ကို
decided.
လာ84မိနစ်ပါပဲလိုအပ်နေတဲ့နိုင်ကိုရောကိုရောကလိုအပ်နေတဲ့သွေးကိုတွေကိုပါသွေးယူတိုင်ကဲဖြစ်ပါလေ
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so
တော်လေးတော့ဝင်သွားလို့
positions. And
ရှေ့
once he gets onto it,
စလိုက်တွေပါပြပြသွင်းတာနော်မင်းပရှင်အဲ့ဒီစိတ်တက်ဆိုတာအဲ့ဒါပဲနော်အော်နိုင်နေတွေ့ရင်တော့မှဟီးယားလို့ပြန်သွားလို့မရဘူးကဲနိုင်တော့မှနဲ့သူအိမ်ပြန်မှုကတော့နီးစပ်ဆုံးချိန်ကြီးရောက်နေပြီ
Well, a
ညာ
dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Adama.
အဲ့တူရန်ကြီးကွာဂျင်းမဲကြီးကိုဘာလို့
Stanya.
သုံးနေအောင်ကြီးပြပြီငါတော့ဘိုးသွင်းပြီးနေငါထည့်စမ်းမှာအဲ့နေရဒီနေလေအထွတ်ကြီးပဲလုတ်ပြီးလိုက်ဟုတ်လား
Iwobi.
လိုက်ဘူးကွာဟိုင်းအိမ်
This could be the final opportunity to snatch something. And that's a very good
ဦး
parry.
နာနာကြီးကတော့ရွှေလက်အိတ်ကတော့ရားနေနေပြီဦးနာနာကြီးဒီရာစီကတော့ရှယ်ကိုလုတ်ပြီးနေဦးနာနာရွှေလက်အိတ်ဆိုရားနေပြီနော်ကဲအောက်လုံးလားAngara cross
Well, there's a really stylish
ဘယ်အောင်ကနေပဲ
display.
ဆွဲယူလာပြီနော်ကြော်ပြက်လာပြီပြက်ခေါက်ရှစ်ပြက်ခေါက်အေးအေး
And a simple clearance, a good one.
ပြန်ပြီငါပြန်ပြီ
Taking into account all the
အဲ့
stoppages.
လိုရေကုန်ရဖန်ပြီးရတာငါပဲရှိရနော်
Less than convincing defending.
တူတယ်ကဲ
Passing it through.
Oh, yeah.
Really good bits of goalkeeping there.
တူတယ်ဒီမှာဒီလုံးတော့ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်မင်းဟာကြီးကတော့ရံခင်းလိုက်ဘူး
And there goes the final whistle. It's gone the wrong way as far
ဘယ်
as
23မှာတော့ဒီမှာနေဝင်မှာ0-1ဆိုရတယ်နဲ့နိုင်ရရှိပြီးတော့ပြန်လိပွဲနေကြအောင်
lots of quality, lots of good
ဆက်
individual
လက်
displays.
ဆောင်နေတာဖြစ်ပါလေ
In the end,
ဘယ်ပါလဲ
though, they
ဘိုး
won't
သူ
be
ယူနိုင်
happy
ခဲ့
with
တာ
the
ဗျာ
defeat, nor the manner of it, conceding
ဘော
so
တော့ခိုင်းတော့
late.
ရသိနေပြီဖြစ်ပါလေဘောတော့ခိုင်းရမှာလားအော်ဘောတော့မပေးဘူးလေဒီပြအကောင်လေစိတ်ရလက်ပြလေးနဲ့ရှိနေတော့လို့ရောမတက်နိုင်ဘူးခုံမောတော့မထိုင်နိုင်ဘူးငါကောင်လေဟောမှာပဲထိုင်နေရတော့ဒီပြခင်ဗျာကျွန်တော်ဝေတော့ဝင်ပေးမှလားမပေးဘူးလားအရှင်းရှင်းလင်းပြောလိုက်ရောပြတော့မပေးဘူးဆိုရင်ကျွန်တော်နောက်ရသည်နင်းပြောင်းတော့မှာဟုတ်ပြီနော်နောက်ရသည်တင်းပြောင်းတော့ကိုယ်တွေလောက်တိတွင်းပေးနေရအောင်ကိုယ်လည်းမပေးဘူးဆိုတော့မင်းကစောက်ရိပ်ပဲမရှိလုံးလာကြပါဘူး